Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman, and we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Belkin wireless charging stand. This is part of their Boost Up line, and this is a key charger that's compatible with any phone that supports the key standard. And on the iPhone, it's going to get you up to 7.5 watts of charging on the iPhone 8 and 10, which are the two versions of the iPhone that support wireless charging. And then some phones, like the Samsung phones, can go up to 10 watts with this, and you'll have to check your phone's compatibility before you get started with that. Now, I do want to mention this came in free of charge through the Amazon Vine program. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own. Nobody is paying for what you're about to see, nor has anyone reviewed what you're about to see before I uploaded it. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what it's all about. All right, so let's get this thing out of the box here and see what we've got inside. What attracted me to this is that it is a stand and not a pad, so it makes it easier, I think, to keep the phone charged when you're on a nightstand or something. I found with the pads that you can often knock the phone off. This will not have that problem. So this is the charging stand itself here. This is what it looks like, and it looks pretty nice, and you can just put your phone down like so, or you can put it in landscape mode as well. It's not plugged in yet, so we're going to plug it in once we get through all the other stuff in the box here. They also claim it has some detectors on board to prevent it from getting screwed up by having metal objects come near it. That's probably helpful. And they give you some advice here as to how to get your phone properly mounted in there, so we'll try that out in a second. And here is the power cable. So I'm going to go plug this in down there real quick and see exactly how well this thing works. So we're going to unplug something else here, plug that in, and then we're going to plug the power cable into the back of the charger. What's nice about these is that there's really no complexity to it. You just plug it in and off you go. So we've got it now ready to go here. I'm going to just plug in my phone here, or just put it on the pad, and you can see it has started charging. I'm going to take it off here real quick and move it off to the side here and see if it still charges there. So yeah, it looks like it's getting that charge no matter where it's positioned here, which is nice. And then I can put it into this landscape mode as well. So it looks like it covers all the bases there. It looks pretty wide here, so I would imagine it'll work with much larger phones. This is the iPhone 10, so you get a feel for what it looks like here. So that is good. And I think other phones should fit in just fine. I've got a Samsung phone here that is totally dead, so we'll see if it starts charging. There is a little light here that pops up to indicate that it is successfully charging, and this thing has been dead for a while, but you can see it is showing that it is charging up there, so that is good. So what I want to do now is go find some cases and put them on the phone and see if it can charge through a case. Let's take a look. So I've got this really thick case from Otterbox here. Let's put it on the charger here and see if it starts charging, and sure enough, it is getting a charge there, and I can continue to move it around here and not lose that charge. So I like the fact you don't have to have it directly centered even with a case on. I'm going to put it now into that landscape mode here, and you can see it's also getting a charge there too. So it looks like it's able to work even with a pretty thick case on there, which is good. This entire surface here, the part where your phone is placed, is rubberized, including the pad here. Your phone doesn't stick to it, but it does hold itself in there pretty nicely, so I think it'll work well as a nightstand charger. My only concern would be leaving it in this landscape mode, because you could very easily topple the phone off if you want, but I think it's better secured here in its portrait mode. So all in, not a bad little charger if you're looking for something quick and easy to put on your nightstand. It's not cheap though at 70 bucks, but it does support the 10-watt charging for devices that support it, and it is a pretty attractive device that has a decent warranty with it. So that's going to do it for the Belkin charging stand, and this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold-level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.